Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from blandelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make air fryer stuffed peppers. Listen up foodies, this recipe is super easy to make, quick and a real comforting weeknight dinner. I used leftover turkey, but you can also use rotisserie chicken to speed things up. And don't forget to preheat the air fryer just before you start prepping up the ingredients. Cut the tops off of your bell peppers and set aside to use later on. Remove the seeds and white parts and discard. Drizzle the peppers with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Use your hands to rub them all over, inside and out. Time to prepare the filling! In a large bowl, place the leftover turkey, cooked rice, shredded cheese, green onions, garlic, and seasonings. Add the marinara sauce and stir well to combine. Season the filling to your taste. Divide the mixture among your prepared peppers. Then transfer them to the preheated air fryer. Cook at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius until the peppers are tender, about 10 minutes. Cover the peppers with the tops and continue to air fry for 5 minutes more. That was it for today, foodies! For the full recipe plus tips and tricks, just click the link below. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.